Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how Sweatcoin works in 2026 and what type of real rewards you can actually earn and redeem through the app safely. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To get Robux with Sweatcoin, you can simply go to your Sweatcoin and go to rewards. In the rewards panel, you can simply find any draws or gift cards that might show any Robux. For the other ones, as you can go to buy and buy any kind of gift card that you want. After buying this gift card, you would be able to redeem or get Robux just because of the gift card that you have bought in Sweatcoin. Remember that a $5 gift card needs 5,000 sweat points. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.